Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In iOS 17, the Photos app has got several new features and enhancements. Apple added several features that make the apps more pleasant to use. In this tutorial, I will show you all of the new iOS 17 Photos app features. Features on pet recognition. In iOS 17, Apple has improved image recognition capabilities of the Photos app, which can now recognize not only your family and friends but also your beloved pets. The Photos app's ability to detect animals isn't new, but now it can identify animals that are important to you by taking into account the number of photos that you have of them. That's why the People album has become the Peoples and Pets album, where you can add names of your pets and confirm additional photos. Features 2. On-tap crop. In iOS 16, cropping images in the Photos app involves tapping into the Edit interface, choosing the crop tool and adjusting the crop from there with either pinch zoom gestures or by dragging the corners of the cropping tool. In iOS 17, Apple has made the process quicker and easier. Let's check. First, open a photo you want to crop. Now, when you zoom into that image, there's a new crop button that appears in the upper right corner. Tapping it brings up the crop interface with the zoom level that you have selected, so you can crop into the part of the image that you prefer with just a couple of taps. Features 3. Turn photos into animated stickers. In iOS 16, Apple added a neat remove subject from background tool for plucking things out of images. In iOS 17, Apple has superchanged the feature and now you can use it to make your own custom animated stickers for use in messages. First, open Photos app and select a photo. When long pressing a subject in a photo, the pop-up menu includes a new Add Sticker option that exports the select subject into Messages sticker interface. So click on Add Sticker. From here you can add effects like a white sticker outline, a puffy sticker effects, a glittery effects and more. Subject pulled from live photos even have the option of animation. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.